It's my pleasure to welcome you to the certification ceremony for the Boeing 787 Dreamliner.
We took off, turned left, and flew around the Earth and landed.
We came in at about 1,210 nautical miles beyond the record.
Now, when you buy a car, you get a key. When you buy a Dreamliner, you get a really big key.
Lighter, it's faster, it's more fuel efficient, and it looks cool.
Wow.
It's very, very beautiful.
I hope one day I can fly this plane.
Don't have to worry with the shades and stuff coming up now.